A new political force, the Guardians of Zimbabwe GOZ, spearheaded by former members of the nation security services, has emerged onto turbulent political landscape, directly challenging President Mnangagwa's administration. The audacious entry has been met with swift and intense scrutiny from state authorities, particularly the Zimbabwe Republic Police, Criminal Investigation Department, Law and Order Section in Bulawayo, raising serious questions about the state of democratic freedoms in the country. Police and CIOs and former soldiers after launching an explosive new political party, the Guardians of Zimbabwe. That was subscribed or like on the bill. The formation of GOZ earlier this month by retired soldiers and security personnel is widely perceived as a direct response to deepening political tensions and a controversial push to extend presidential tenure. The party's leadership asserts their movement is born out of an unwavering oath of service to the nation, a commitment they believe has been betrayed by current governance. This stance has placed them squarely in the crosshairs of a state apparatus often accused of stifling dissent. The scrutiny intensified on 20 July. Ubwenya received a summons from Detective Assistant Inspector Madzivire of the CID Law and Order Section at Bulawayo Central Police Station, accompanied by his lawyer, Bruce Masamvu of the Zimbabwe Lawyers of Human Rights. Kumbeya reported for further questioning. This latest interrogation accused to GOZ focus on the party's formation and objectives, its position on the contentious Constitutional Amendment Act No. 3 and whether it would consider joining the ruling ZANU-PF party. Sida Maraira, GOZ's internal and external public relations officer, confirmed the ongoing interrogations. He was asked questions relating to the formation and objectives of our political party, as well as information pertaining to the president's immediate family. Marira stated he further emphasized the party's expectations that all interactions between citizens and law enforcement will continue to be conducted in accordance with the Constitution of Zimbabwe and the rule of law despite the intense questioning. No criminal charges were laid against Ubwenya following the interrogation. Toma developments are bula pangu ene. Pina comment section medu za kugura any more clip on separate coach. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.